Good morning, all. I just wanted to make a quick video on how to get to the FID work for today. First and foremost, you will go to your Google Classroom. Then you'll see in the stream part of our Google Classroom just some FID information about office hours. Also, the PowerPoint that we went over yesterday and explained basically what a FID day was. And then also the class link for the office hours. So you'll click this Google Class Meet if you need help. But in classwork is the assignment for today. So you'll scroll down to today's lesson and materials. And you'll see the link, and the link will give you the directions for the work that you need to do for today, and then another link for the class link. It's the same link. So you will click on the 9-1 FID Classwork, and it will give you a 1, 2, 3, kind of like a roll down of what you are doing today. Again, another place that if you need help, you can click up here where it says SOS. See how my pointer went from a pointer to like a hand? If you click on that, that will take you also to the Google Meet so that you can talk to me from 9 to noon and then from 1 until 2:50. So it says complete the 5 themes of geography Ed puzzle. So we're going to click back to our classwork, and it says that it is in today's lesson materials. So it's right there. It says Ed puzzle, 5 themes of geography. I see 2 people already turned it in. Now this video is of a guy, and he explains the 5 themes using Minecraft. He does add some plugins about like a graphic organizer or something like that. Don't worry about that. There's no graphic organizer, just the questions that you want to answer in Ed Puzzle. So you're going to do the Ed Puzzle first. It's not a very long video, but he does explain the 5 themes of geography through Minecraft. So then that's number 1. And then it says click the 5 themes of geography Google slideshow. So this is where you're going to get the information to put on your notebook page 2 that you're going to use for step 3. Yesterday, if you were in person, you were given a 5 themes of geography notebook page, and we glued it into our notebook page 3 actually. I'm sorry, it says 2, but it should say 3. And you are to write the definitions of the 5 themes. There are 5 themes of geography. There's location, there's place, there's human environment interaction, movement, and region. So you on your the outside of your flaps, you'll write each one. So like you'll write on the first flap, location, and then on the second flap, place, on the third flap, human interaction, fourth flap, movement, and the last flap, region. And then you'll open up your flap, and where it says definition, that's where you'll write the definitions. But Mrs. Kump, where am I going to get these definitions? That's where you're going to use this 5 themes of geography Google slideshow. So you're going to click on it. It's going to take you to the 5 themes of geography, and then you're going to click. Now, some of the slides have information, and they're in like I tried to highlight the definition. So for like location, the definition is in red in the red box. Then the next couple slides give you a little bit more information about location. So this one's about absolute location, then latitude and longitude, which we're going to learn about both of those a little bit later. Then we're going to learn a little bit more about relative location later too. Place, you'll see it's boxed in red. And then a little bit of information about how to describe a place. Human environment interaction. So you'll see the theme that it is boxed in red, the definition. The extra slides are also, if you'll see on the other side of your flap, it says example. These are some good examples that you could use to put down. Now that's not part of today's work, but if you want to, you could start adding the examples. When we get back tomorrow, we'll start working with that too. So some examples, and then region, and then for this one, they talk about some examples of like the different types of regions. So you'll use this PowerPoint to answer, to do your notebook page 3. It says 2, I'm sorry. I was typing this up really quick yesterday. If you were absent yesterday, or you left your notebook at home, or you were home yesterday, if you click on, see how again it turned into a finger pointer, my cursor. If you click on the picture of me in the laptop, this will take you to the 5 themes of geography. It should be notebook page 3. And it will ask you to make a copy. So you'll want to make a copy, and then let it make a copy. And then this is where you will put the definitions in here. So then when you come back to school, we'll just print out this one and put this in your notebook. Again, if you have any questions, please feel free to pop into the Google Meet, use the SOS on this slide, or you can even use the class link here, or even on the stream, the class link is here. They're all the same link, so just pick one and you'll be able to get to me. You also can email me through Edge as well. I hope you are all safe, and I can't wait to see you tomorrow.